So we just checked in a few minutes ago. The entrance fee to one of the parks is actually 200 baht. So paid that. You guys are coming over, just have some cash on hand. But yeah, we got a quick spill on what the tour is going to be about. So we're going to be hitting up a few of the islands, Chicken Island for sure, because it looks like a chicken head. Yeah. So that, and then end our night with the bioluminescent swim, hopefully.
Fingers crossed, because plans do just change, you know, abruptly, just according to the weather.
Yeah.
Whenever you see a photo of Thailand, you look at a longtail boat and you know where that photo is. It's from Thailand. There's so many longtail boats over here, and they're so pretty.
Yeah.
And the perfect part about today is we're not going on a speedboat. We're actually going on a longtail boat.
Yeah.
So that should be more enjoyable. Above the water, and the longtail boat is just swaying from side to side. We've been told to keep the boat really balanced, 4 people on each side. There's ocean mist coming from the side. I mean, I have never ridden this slow on the ocean. It's really adventurous, very exciting, and yeah, it is not for the faint of heart. If you get sick easily, then you might have to rethink this, and a speedboat might be better for you, because we are swaying left and right, but it's super fun. We've just arrived on the first island. It is called the Top Island.
Yes.
And what happens here is you get to walk across from one island to the other.
Yes.
As you can see,
I guess first you have to navigate your way around the island, and then you get to see the sandbar. So.
we are struggling, and we are in almost hip-length water. It was supposed to be a nice serene walk across the sandbar,
Yeah.
But sometimes
What it takes to get there. So, yeah.
yeah, this. Everyone is gone. We are left behind, and we are trying to make it to the other side. Actually, that wasn't the right area. You come out of your boat, you walk around like this cove, and then you come to an open area where you get to cross to the other island.
Yeah.
The main part is that one.
Yep. Seems like we're here during low tide, so it's easy to cross over, but normally you might be like neck deep, so or 8 meter time. So. I was not expecting to get wet this early.
Yeah, this is actually quite different from our tour that we did in Langkawi, which was like the mangrove tour.
Yeah,
That was super fun. It was on a speedboat though, so this is quite the experience on the long tail.
On the long tail, on the slow long tail, yeah. That's what it took. It's not bad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice, family friendly.
Yeah.
So many people here, and super easy.
Yeah.
Especially with the tide level.
Pretty relaxing with the life jacket. You just kind of, you're basically floating, yeah.
Free floating.
Free floating, yeah.
For everyone see the plankton on the night time, okay? And we're gonna stay here about 20 minutes or 30 minutes for everyone see the plankton. And when you get off the boat, please move your hand like this underwater. Now, if you move your hand like this underwater, the plankton is shiny, the light like a yellow color, okay? And someone would like to see the plankton, please follow me.